Wemwega. Hello. Jitagwo Mwarimu Wabui. My name is Teacher Wabui. This is Simple Kikuyu Lessons. And in this episode, we'll be looking at counting in tens, counting in tens. If you have not watched our previous episode, we were looking at counting numbers 1 through 10. And in this episode, we'll also look at the number 0, which is very important. And 0 in Kikuyu is kefogo, kefogo, which means 0. Kefogo, like 0, or you don't have anything. It's kefogo, kefogo. We have some people who says naughty, naughty, but the actual word is kefogo, kefogo. We did look at number 10, but we'll be looking at number 10 again. Ikomi, 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 ikomi. Mirogo ere, mirogo ere, mirogo ere, mirogo ere, 20. Mirogo etato, mirogo etato, mirogo etato, mirogo etato, 30. Mirogo ena, mirogo ena, mirogo ena, 40. Mirogo etano, mirogo etano, mirogo etano, mirogo etano, 50. Mirogo etadato, mirogo etadato, mirogo etadato, 60. Mirogo etadato, mirogo etadato. Mirogo mugwaja, mirogo mugwaja, mirogo mugwaja, 70. Mirogo mugwaja. Mirogo enana, mirogo enana, mirogo enana, 80. Mirogo enana. Mirogo keda, mirogo keda, mirogo keda, mirogo keda, 90. Igana rimwe, igana rimwe, igana rimwe, 100. So you do notice that 100, we don't have mirogo, we have igana rimwe. Now, if you want to count maybe 60, 61, if you have watched our previous episode where we did 1 to 10, you just add, if for example it's 61, mirogo itandatu na imwe, mirogo itandatu na imwe, mirogo itandatu na igere, 62, mirogo itandatu na igere, 62. Mirogo itandatu na ithatu, mirogo itandatu na ithatu, mirogo itandatu na ithatu, 63. Mirogo itandatu na inya, mirogo itandatu na inya, mirogo itandatu na inya, 64. Mirogo itandatu na ithano, mirogo itandatu na ithano, mirogo itandatu na ithano, 65. So you could just keep adding the single digits to the double digits to have the counting in tens. Thank you so much for watching Simple Kikuyu Lessons. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.